Top 11. Best knives under $100. In order to choose the best knife, you should make sure the blade runs from the handle to the tip of the knife. Number 11. Cold Steel Recon 1 Tactical, and it is therefore important it closes our list on the best knives. This is a sharp, lightweight with tolerance to even the hardest of conditions. It is made from quality materials, increasing its durability. It has a suitable handle which makes it convenient to maintain a grip. Durable and portable. Multifunctional. It has a pocket clip for easy clip. Number 10. Tac Force Assisted Opening. It has a unique design and has holes throughout the blade to make carrying of items easy. It has very sharp edges which makes it suitable to cut through things. It has a pocket clip which can be worn in 3 different ways to enhance carrying it. It is coated with black oxide which slows down the process of corrosion. Sleek design. Lightweight and durable. Can carry heavy load. Number 9. Kershaw Reverb. One of the reasons is because despite being tiny, it performs as is expected. It uses 8CR13 move stainless steel, making it durable and hard. The G10 handle comes with a carbon fiber overlay front and a steel back, which makes it easy to maintain grip. Small and tiny. Powerful and hard blade. The eyes due to its sleek design. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search best knives under $100 or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 8. Kershaw Leek 1660. It has an amazing design, results in greater resistance to scratching. It uses 8CR13 move stainless steel, making it durable and hard. The G10 handle comes with a carbon fiber overlay front and a steel back. Hard, therefore not easy to bend. The gold finish is truly eye-catching. Greater resistance to scratching. Number 7. Kershaw 3880 Thermite Folding. Kershaw has been featured again among the best knives. It has a frame lock which makes it easy to grab and lift even heavy items. It is made from high-quality material which makes it durable. It can be used for easy as well as hard tasks. Has a beautiful design. Multifunctional. Used for easy as well as hard tasks. Number 6. Cold Steel Voyager Large. This is a full-size knife which is rated among the best knives. Handle makes it possible to maintain the grip. It comes with its own pouch, making it safe to carry around and make it last for a long time. The blade is flat-shaped but pointed and sharp at the point, which makes full size, therefore can be used. Powerful blade. Carrying pouch makes it safe to carry. Number 5. Kershaw Canonian Blackout. It has a keychain, making it convenient to carry. You will not even notice you are carrying a knife until you need it. Not have to carry a lot of tools with you whenever you are traveling. Kershaw stand out as one of the best knife makers, and it is no doubt then that the next budget knife is from their company. The knife is multifunctional. Very cheap and portable. Has a keychain for easy carrying. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search best knives under $100 or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 4. Kershaw 1550 Blackout. This is a lightweight knife. It is made from good style and has one of the sharpest blades, making it suitable for using every day. It's not so expensive, and that is why I have included it among the best knives. The sharpest blades, making it suitable for using every day. Carrying out hard tasks. Hard steel makes it good. The knife offers quality for your money. Number 3. Benchmade Mini Griptilian Knife. This knife than the rest in this list. It is a tiny knife. It comes in a variety of colors and blades, which makes it one of the best knives. It has a suitable knife that makes it suitable to maintain grip, blades which makes it one of the best knives. Variety of blades and colors to choose from. Featherweight. Makes it suitable to maintain grip. Number 2. Victorinox Cadet Alox means it will be safe when carrying it in your pocket. It is silver in color, which makes it unique. It is also so small, which makes it stand out among the best knives. You are provided with a compass as well as other tools, necessary for everyday use, making it stand out among the best knives. Lightweight. Extra tools when you buy. Stand out among the best knives. Number 1. Opinel Number 9 Knife. Knives we are reviewing today. The blade is made of carbon steel, which is strong and durable. It is featherweight, which makes it very convenient for everyday carrying around. The light blade means it is easy to sharpen with minimal effort. It is small and literally disappears in your pocket. Small and light. Easy to sharpen. Sharpen with minimal effort. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search best knives under $100 or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts.